Well, a big part of starting a lawnmower is pulling the handle. And in order to repair a starter, you've got to go ahead and put the handle back on the starter rope. This is a standard Briggs & Stratton starter handle with a pin. And this is for all your lawnmowers. You can put this on. There's different kinds of starter handles that they have now. You take the rope, you put it through the handle first. This is something you're going to learn once you put the pin on a couple times without putting the handle on. You're going to remember why. So you take your pin, you wrap it around twice, and put it over the top of the rope and back up through. It's basically a figure 8 hole, and it tightens against itself. Now there's another kind of starter that they have that has a small enough hole where you just tie a nice big knot in it and it won't go down through the hole. And it goes on just like that.